So guys, before start coding, I suggest you to go to my GitHub and go to this NFT landing page, my repo, GitHub repo. Then after that, you can find the starter file from here. You can download the index file from here, or you can copy the code from here. So I'm copying the code from here, and then what I will do, I will go to VS Code and just create a, here I will create a index.html. Then I will paste the code in here. Okay, so everything is fine. So I will make this thing, title change, and what I will do, VPN landing page. Okay, fine. So done. Now what we will do, we'll head over to this code in here. Let's go to Figma. In here, so let me just grab all the pictures quickly. Okay, I'll be right back. Yeah, so I suggest you to also, you guys can download this picture with this free community landing page UXY design. Okay, I will attach this link in the description. Okay. You guys can also download this from here, like with export, SVG or PNG, whatever you want. Okay. So we will design the navigation part first. VS Code. Okay, so our the background. Yeah. Okay. So now to design these things, right? So we'll go again. Let's just run it first and see if it works perfectly fine. Go live right now. Yeah. Oh, background actually changed. Right. So data theme, I just light. Now it will work perfectly fine. Okay, so now for background we need to set the default color from this particular things. So I will select this color as a primary background color. So I will paste the code from in here, and yeah, also in here. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now head over to the navigation part. I will take flex, or I will take container auto, and I will do flex in here, and justify would be between, and item should be center. Okay, so that these two things will gap between. Okay, so now I will take a div flex here. Flex should be call. I am actually so I made the Tailwind CSS basic video for beginner. You guys can check it out. I already make a playlist for that. Okay. You guys can check it out. Now, if you are really beginner, then I suggest you to follow the beginner part for Tailwind CSS basic. Okay. So I copy the from here. Paste it in. Give it a class name. Text should be 5XL. font should be bold. Okay, font should be bold. There needs to be like just this thing like this way. Okay, now you guys will understand perfectly, right? Here. And it looks good, right? You cannot change it. Okay, no problem. So now I will also copy this one from here, paste bottom that G. Wait, anything to be easy with illustration. So I need to give gap after give beer after B. Okay, so I will give beer. Okay, then also in here in this portion after less B, I will give it check. Okay, so now after that I need to create a button, so I will call the button. Okay, get started, right? Started. Okay, so I'll use Daisy UI button. You guys already know I use all time use Daisy UI button. BT should be primary and capitalize. Also there should be shadow LZ. Oh, sorry guys, I actually forgot to do this part. Okay, let me just design this thing, then I will design this navigation bar. Okay, no issue. Okay, so after that what I will do, get started. So I need to give a width for that things. I think it will be good. Why the primary color didn't? What's the color? Yeah, it's 3.8. I already changed it, but change the color. Oh sorry, it will not change the color because it will take the Daisy UI primary color. So what I need to do, I will not call it this way. I will just give the busy primary. Okay, then it will work. Busy primary. For that it will work perfectly. You can see. Okay, so the border should be none, right? Border fine. So now give it a shadow primary, and it will slash 50. Get the shadow, you guys can see. Okay, so now I will do button part is done. Start this div. We'll call the hero image. Hero is busy. Perfect, right? Looks perfect. So yeah, let me keep it these things as height screen. So 8 screen. So it will cover the full part. Wait. Now it will cover the full part. This looks perfect, right guys? Okay, now I will make the navigation bar. So I will just start this thing and this thing in the hero section, and now I will do the navigation part from here. So yeah, same as container, the auto. Okay, then what I need to do, I will take a flex and make the justify between, because I will keep this one in one div and these 4 things in one div and these 2 things in one div. Then if I will do the justify between, then it will look like this. Okay. So I will do that, flex and justify between, and item should be center also. Okay, and yeah, now it's perfect. So I will head over to this, we'll call the logo image. Okay. Call the image from here, will be logo, I think so, logo SVG, all should be logo. Okay, okay, now after doing that, I will take another div called flex. Okay, and I will keep that item center and give them a gap between this portion, give them between this portion gap 10. Okay, so if I will now do the about, then copy the thing, you guys can see we're perfectly fine, right? So now what I will do, I will just give a padding from the upper side, not here, this portion, padding white 2 4. Perfect. Okay, now what I will do in here, okay, so now I will change the name, about, features, then pricing, testimonial, then another thing was help, right? Okay, in the next video I will teach you Next.js 13, which will actually in beta version right now. Okay, so stay tuned if you wanna see that video. Okay, now this portion is done, then I will take this portion flex for this button. Okay, so flex, and then item should be center, and I will keep the gap between those 2 things 5. And then what I will do in here, yeah, I will call the button, sorry, after I make it, okay, sign in, then make it a class btn, yes. So I don't think so I need to make these things as a btn. I just give these things like this way, and I will also call the same thing, and it will sign up, and I will make changes in here, btn outline, then border should be primary, and go back to the, yeah, work perfectly fine. Okay, what I need to change, I need to change the text color also, so text should be primary. Okay, and rounded full, because the design actually rounded full, so that's why I use rounded full. Looks perfect, right? And the btn should be md, not that must be, not md sm. Perfect. Okay guys, perfect. Okay, so now this portion also done. We'll head over to this portion, in this portion, okay, I will use grid for that. After hero section done, then I will get back to here. This will be called users or something like that. In this section, I the same thing. I will do the same thing. Auto. Now make it grid. Grid calls 3. Yeah. And for this 3 grid, I will use divide y wise. I think divide y. Divide color should be divide b. Divide b is not divide gray. 300. Gap between those things 10 16. Okay, then what I will do, I will take a flex for this portion. I will take a flex for this div, and then item should be center. Okay, gap between those two things will be around 5, and then I will call the image which I exported from Figma. So yeah, will was like user, and now if I head over to this thing particular area, working. Okay, now I will take again flex, and I know I will not flex. I will base y 3, then 90 plus. Then class will be text cell, and font should be semi bold. On the other hand, the p tag user, right? The text should be similar or simple. So, for that, okay, the space between y is actually a little bit bigger, so it looks great. Okay, if I didn't give any space, that should be also good. Perfect. So now what I will do, it should be x wise, y wise. Okay, so now what I will do, I will copy the thing, paste the thing 3 times. Line actually are the same. So if I head over to these things again, yeah, you can see. Okay, and also in grid the items should be center, right? So items should be just if I give center. If I use like flex, what it will happen? Okay. Flex justify center, justify not center, justify between. Okay, it will do the same thing. So I will get back to the grid, and I will yeah. So yeah, now it looks perfect, right? Yeah, I need to give the justify center for every div. Okay, so yeah, I also need to make this thing as okay, fine. So I will go back to here with the grid. I will give shadow pixel and shadow not cyan, it should be gray like this. Okay. Let me just padding with the padding so that it will be visible. Yeah, looks good. But one thing guys, I didn't give the whole padding from here. So what I will do, I will give padding x10, padding y10, so it will look like this. And yeah, and also it's actually rounded, so rounded LZ. Okay, I think not LZ, 2XL should be good for that. Perfect. Okay, so this portion also done. Okay, so now we will do the same thing in here. So what I will do, this is almost same, so what I will do, I will copy the hero section from here. Okay, and I will paste the thing in this portion. What I will do, I will just cut this image and this image on top here, and I just need to change the text. Okay, so after many I should give the beer tag, and sorry, here, and tag I will copy the things from here and paste the thing in here. And after the fun, I will give a here break tag. Okay, so yeah, I need to make these things changeable, and also change it to features, that is okay. So in this portion, I don't need this button again, so I will get rid of this button, and I will do a flex in here, and flex and I will give gap between those things, so like around 5, and item should be must be center. Okay, so now I will call the image tick image, so green tick svg. Okay, now in the green tick, I'll tick that tag. I will copy these things here. Okay. If I head over to these things here, perfect, right guys? Looks how clean it will look. Actually, really clean. Okay, so I will just copy this div, paste multiple times. 3, 4. In 4 should be enough. That looks perfect. So yeah, that's for today's video. I will do the second part for this video, this section. We will develop this pricing plan, then mapping, then this testimonial section, call to action, and latest blog. Okay guys, so yeah, hope you guys are doing great with this code also. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.